Hey everybody, it's Sarah from the Style Blog, and buckle up for today's mascara showdown because it's going to be a good one. I'm comparing two L'Oreal double-ended mascaras. That means they have a base coat and a top coat. I'm comparing the L'Oreal Double Extend Beauty Tubes mascara and the L'Oreal Voluminous False Lash X Fiber mascara. Spoiler alert, after trying these both for an entire week, one of these is in my top 3 favorite drugstore mascaras. You definitely don't want to miss which one wins. Let's get started. And if you've never seen one of my mascara showdowns, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. I apply one formula to one eye and one to the other eye. I wear them all day long, and then I'll come back tonight and show you the results and how they wore throughout the day and declare a winner. Okay, there's just a couple quick things you need to know about each formula before you start applying them. So let's start off with this Double Extend Beauty Tubes formula. This is available in black and blackest black. This tube retails for $11.95 and contains 0.33 fluid ounces, which equates to $36.21 an ounce. So we'll compare that to the other formula here in a minute. So this base coat goes on white, and it has ingredients in it that help nourish and strengthen your lashes. And then this top coat forms tubes around your lashes to lengthen your lashes. And L'Oreal says that this won't run, clump, smudge, or flake all day long, so we'll see about that with our all-day wear test. And lastly, L'Oreal also says that it removes easily with just water, no rubbing, or makeup remover, which I actually found to be true. Next up, let's talk about this Voluminous False Lash X Fiber mascara. So this formula comes in black, blackest black, and soft black. Why do we need so many black options? I'm not sure. I purchased this in black just like I did the other formula. And it's also available in a waterproof version in blackest black. Okay, so let's talk price on this one. It also retails for $11.95 just like this Double Extend. However, it contains just a little bit more product with 0.43 fluid ounces, which equates to $27.79 an ounce. This one is just a slightly better deal because you get more product for the same price, but it's not enough to sway my decision one way or the other. So what I think is one of the coolest things about this mascara is that the primer is actually black. Can we not make primer black on every mascara primer? Because I feel like sometimes it's easy to miss part of the white primer and then you have these white specks in your lashes. Like, this is not a revolutionary idea, but it's very, very nice that they did this for us. Okay, so let's take a look at the wands. This first wand, number 1, you'll see it's straight and it builds volume and color. Then the second wand is curved and it actually has tiny little fibers on it, if you can see that. It builds a lot of volume and length with those fibers. So L'Oreal basically advertises this as giving extreme volume and length, which I love both of those, so I'm so excited to put these side by side. I can't wait. All right, so I think it's time to apply these babies. I'm so excited. Let's come in here closely so you can see. Okay, so I'm just going to curl my lashes like I normally do. All right, and we're ready. So the Double Extend is going to stay on this eye for the entire day here. So I'm going to apply the primer first, which is this white side. It says step number 1. And here we go. I'm so excited. Okay, it is applied. I'm not sure how well you can actually see that. It's very light, obviously, because it's white. I'm going to let this dry down about 75–80%, and then I'll come back and apply the top coat. Okay, so I'm just going to the other side to grab this wand, and here we go. This is my favorite part. I'm so excited. All right, I can definitely see some length happening there. I hope you can see that as well. Okay, so I've noticed this week that it does best with 2 coats of this black, so I'm going to go ahead and let this dry down about 80% and then put another coat of black on, and we'll do the same thing for this other side as well, just so they're even. Guys, I always have this problem where I forget to do my bottom lashes, but oh boy, okay. Okay, it's almost dry, so I'm going to apply the second coat of the step 2. Yeah, look at that length. Yes, okay. Bottom lash time. Okay, now it's X Fiber time. Let's see if it can live up to the volume and length created by the beauty tubes. So I'm going to start with the number 1 over here. Here we go, my favorite part. Hello, that is good length and volume, and that is one swipe of the primer. Okay, we're in for a good show here. Wowza, this doesn't even have any of the fiber in this first coat. This is just the primer. Oh yes. Oh, thank you, X-Fiber. This is gonna be beautiful. Okay, let's wait for this to dry down about 80% and I will be back with step number 2. Okay, so I'm about 75% dry on this eye. L'Oreal said on their site to make sure not to let this dry between primer and the second step coat, so I'm gonna make sure that it doesn't dry down on us and go to the second step. Can you see all that fiber in there? It scared me at first that I was putting this on my eye, but it actually didn't flake off into my eye at all, which I'm very thankful for. All right, we got our curved fiber wand. Here we go. Whoa, hello length, look at that. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm putting on false lashes with this. Look at that fullness and length. Oh my gosh, and we still have another coat to go. I can't even believe it. It's so beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's let this dry down. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am so impressed with this one already, and we're going in with the second coat like we did on the other side. Whoa. I can't even believe it. It's so good. Oh my gosh. Guys, this looks like I put false lashes on. I can't even, I have no words. It's so good. Okay, let me zoom in here really closely so you can compare the two sides before my all-day wear test. Okay, so remember this side is the beauty tubes and this side is the X-Fiber. Check out the length and volume on both of these. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I feel like both of these mascaras are great so far, and I'm so excited to see how they hold up through this all-day wear test. So I'll be back in about 8 to 10 hours to show you the results. Oh boy, have these been through a wear test today. Let me tell you, I didn't mean for the wear test to get this extreme, but I actually think they held up pretty well. So I basically spent the entire day outside. It was raining, humid, very muggy. I was on the golf cart for 2 hours without any sunglasses or anything on. I say that because my lashes were just like flying in the wind all over the place. I'm kind of surprised I have any mascara on at all still. So I'm going to zoom you in here really closely so you can see the final wear results. I've worn these for about 8 hours now. Okay, so as you can see, I have very, very minimal fallout. There is a small amount of fallout from the X-Fiber. I see about 3 different fibers underneath my eye, but overall I'm very impressed. I don't even see one tiny speck of fallout from the double extend beauty tubes, which is amazing. Okay, so let's go over the final results. The length I'm going to give to the X-Fiber. Curl I'm also going to give to X-Fiber. I feel like the double extend lost its curl quickly today. For volume, I'm definitely going to give that to the X-Fiber as well. Clumpiness I'm going to give to beauty tubes. I feel like there was less clumping. However, I wasn't upset with the amount of clumping on the X-Fiber either. And longevity of wear, I feel like both of these look exactly how they looked when I left this morning, which is absolutely amazing. They have been through it today. Okay, so it's time to announce the winner. Are you ready? I'm so ready. You probably already know, but it is definitely the Voluminous X-Fiber. This has maybe given me the best volume and length of any drugstore mascara ever, and I know that is a tall feat because I have tried so many. This just gave me false looking lashes all day. I would look in the mirror and I honestly, truly thought that I put false lashes on. It's amazing. So if you're looking for the length that this X-Fiber gave without any clumpiness at all, I would check out L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara. Also, if you want a formula comparable to this without the fibers in it, I would check out the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and I actually have a video comparing 3 of the most popular L'Oreal mascaras, the Telescopic, the Lash Paradise, and the Voluminous. I'm going to link that for you right up here, so make sure you check that one out next. And I'm also going to link down here my favorite mascara of all time, my holy grail. It is not a drugstore mascara, but it is hands down the best I've ever tried. So be sure to check that out, and I can't wait to see you there. Bye guys.